Ayan. Hi everybody! We're streaming live from the garahe. Because we got 3 boxes from LBC. Yay! Okay. So anyway, hintayin na lang natin sila. At ito, kay Bebe to. Open muna natin tong isa. So this morning around 7:30 I got a call from an unknown number. Hi, Cherise! Tapos nag-text siya, Ma'am LBC to. Parang sarap ng gising. Tapos tumawag siya parang half an hour ago na nandun na nga siya sa labas, sa Petron. So I went out with ate to meet him. And, tadaan! Aray. Okay, so here's one box that I know already who this is gonna go to. Hi! Wow, 30 viewers. Ang dami. Hi guys. Okay, so the first one, this is for Veve Basbas. This is her. Okay, ats. Wow, ang daming laman, Vev. Ang bigat. Wait lang. Dahan-dahan pa daw. Dahan-dahan yung release. Suspense. Shanan! Oh my God, Bebs! It's so nice! Ayan na. So, ito yung cricut maker ni Bebe. Ate, ibabalik natin to sa box, ha? So, yung cricut maker, special order lang ako kasi basta. Special order lang. So, I don't stock it here in the Philippines. So, only when a client wants, we will bring it in. So, this one goes to Bebe Basbas. Hindi po siya price. Order po, order. Okay. So, that's one box. Pwede mo na siya shoot ulit doon. Papa-deliver na natin bukas yan. Next. Ito ba muna, ate? O, ito. Parang ito yata. Itong brown muna. Okay. Alam ko, daddy ko nag-pack nito kasi look. This is my dad's signature packaging. Itong, gray na packing tape. That's my dad. Okay. Ate, wala tayong mas na kutsilyo. And then, okay na, parang okay naman. Oh my golly. So cricut machines nga. Okay. So, luma na to. February 8 pa to. Oh my God. Mayo na po. Okay. Pang padding ads. So, ito namang cricut machines were also at first just for our stock, but then live na pre-sold. Okay, so we have one red one. This is actually the prize that we raffled off parang 2 weeks ago. So, may winner na yan, ats. Okay. Hindi ko maalala yung name, pero nakalista yan sa akin. Tadan! We have one red that's, I think, on hold. I have to just double check. Pero, I will post this once it's available. And we can do an unboxing later. Okay, ats. Uy, walang color? Meron. Okay. Teacher April, in case you're watching, ito na yung order ni Jerome. Okay? Yan. So, yung boyfriend ni Teacher April nag-order kasi he makes decals, car decals. Okay? Yan. And then, last but not the least, tanan, is the peacock blue. na cricut. Tama ba? Yeah, peacock blue. Ang ganda nito sa loob. Sobra. So, this one I know is available. Okay, so if you're interested, please send me a message for the Cricut Explorer. It's 18,500 for one machine. Okay? Alright. Si ate, sabi ko sa'yo wala masyadong laman. Okay, so this is one box down. Tapos available din po yung mga blue, ano nga plant yan? Yung blue ternate flower. Okay, ano po yan? Herbal. Okay, ito na yung mabigat na box. Huwag na tayong kumalis din kasi parang wala kasing signal dyan. 70 viewers. Hello, oh, ang ganda, yes. Ang ganda nung blue. Yeah, maganda yung blue actually. Baka we can open it later. Baka dapat dito na mag-live sa gabi. Kasi press ko dito sa gabi eh. Okay. Malalaman natin what's inside this box. Tchanan! Ano to? Kay Alex siguro to. Chips. Chips. Isang super tips. Ang aking ketchup chips. Ito na. Sige, dito ko muna ilagay. Okay, wag lang walang kamatayang cling wrap. Okay, here we go. Ibigay na to kay Mr. C. Yung kanyang ano. Para dun sa mga naghahanap ng pastel colors, we have more paint. Yes, chips. I just want to show you what's inside the bag. At help mo ako. Tag-isang side tayo. Silip lang. See? Ang saya, diba? O yan, mamaya. Super tips and chips. Yes, best combination. Ito na. For those of you who are looking for, ito, adhesive spray. Yes. We have it in stock. Unfortunately, this will not ship to the provinces. So, ano lang, Metro Manila only. Ketchup, yes, that's my favorite chips. Super. Baka sabi ko lang na no chips. Ito na naman tayo. Ha? Meron pa. Paint, no? Paint pa yata to. So, mamaya magde-demo tayo tsaka magsa-sale ng paint. Okay. Oh my God. Hindi ko siya mabukas at. Please help me. Maraming. Wow, 100 viewers. Oh my goodness. Hi. Ang dami pang paint. Oo. Kasi nga, parang biglang nag-hit yung paint. So, sorry. Ayan, nagpadala ako kay mom ng extra paint. So, let's do that later. Tamang-tama, with kids being home, you need this. You need to keep them busy. And so, we have total ng ay, shoot, nabasag yung isa. Okay, so, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cans of the adhesive spray. Okay. So, the-demo yan mamaya. And, ito yata kay Iris Pulga ata ito. Tcharam! Easy Press 2. I have to just double check kasi ito yata yung size ni Iris. Okay. And then, we have these in stock. Yung cart, Gramercy cart. May owner na yung trolley. Parang wala pa. Yes, adhesive spray is life. Teacher Sam, we miss you very much. Yan. So, we have 2 trolleys. One in white and one in teal. Okay? So, ayan siya. So, yan lang yung dumating. Ate, tuloy na natin sa loob. Or may space ka pa ba dyan?
Meron pa po, ma'am.
Ah, okay. Kaya mo, Ate. So, there. Ang presko dito sa labas. Grabe. Actually, we are waiting for parang another 3 more boxes from California. So, I'm waiting baka this week din. Ito-check ko. Pero, marami pa kaming dinalang stuff from the office. So, we'll probably go live maybe later or tomorrow night. Jillian, please send me a PM. Hi, Maricon from the hospital. Please stay safe. Yes, Teacher Sam, we miss you very much. Maria Melissa Inez. Please, PM. PM is the key. Oh my God, yung dog sa kapitbahay. Hi, Tita Cosette. Gretch! Miss you very much. How is everything? Ayan. So, nabuksan na natin yung boxes. Nag-iisang super tips. Akala ko naman maraming pinadala si Mommy. Mga 15 yung sinabi niya pinadala niya. But I take it there are more boxes arriving. Okay? So, stay tuned kasi later we will post kung magla-live mamayang gabi. 9 o'clock ulit. Okay? I hope everybody's enjoying their long weekend. And ayun lang. Thanks for watching our unboxing. Wow, nga 110 views. O, mamaya ulit. Hi, Catherine Manantan. Iris, nandito na yung yung easy press mo. Sa'yo nga ba to? PM kita. Ang kulit. Bye, you guys. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching.